What we have to do is to know about it. Now, all these things, like I said yesterday, that you put on bindi. Now, this is also, thank God, despite all changes in the Bible, is written in the Bible that you will be known by the mark you will be carrying. Now, let's see how many are courageous even in India to carry this mark. That's why you people cash so fast. One of the reasons why you people cash, first of all, the eyes are not steady. You are not used to the steady eyes. You see, as the Indians have very steady eyes. They are from childhood, they are taught. Where is your attention? All the time they are asked, where is your attention? तिकडे ते मागे उभे आहेत, त्यांना एक खुर्ची द्या बसायला. त्यांना बसवत नाही खाली. आहे खुर्ची एखादी? आतून घेऊन ये बसायला. So where is your attention? Now the attention is so disturbed all the time. And that's why you catch very fast. And when you catch from your eyes, it goes through your Agya Chakra. Now this is the protection of Agya Chakra. It's actually the blood of Christ that you wear. But people must have that courage. They'll wear a cross, but not this. In the Western countries, it's very difficult for people to have that much courage to put on this. They will have excuses, mother will lose our jobs, this, that. Every sort of an excuse is there. But if you are courageous people, then you have to start wearing it sometime. Maybe in the night you start first, then in the daytime. Slowly you can creep into it. That's the only thing I think you people have to wear. That's important. That will be a good idea because you will not catch. Because you go outside, your attention is outside, you see what's happening outside, the atmosphere is bad. Moreover, if you put this on, it will not only protect you but also protect others. They will have a new idea. After all, you will dress up like them, you are just like them. You have to be. But you have to protect, and for protection you have to wear something like that. I found that when I went first to England, they used to laugh at me looking at my red mark. I mean, if they wear lipsticks, it's all right. Even if they are clowns, if they are hippies, they are punks, it's all right. But if you wear a proper thing which is scientific, it's more scientific. So to understand the science of the roots, you must understand what it means, why this culture is like this. Because it is more towards the roots. The movement is not towards the tree, and the tree where it has ended up, beyond the Muladhara Chakra. So now they are returning back. To go from the leaf to the roots is very difficult, but to go from the roots to the leaves is easier. So for this ascent, we have to be humble, to know about the knowledge about the roots. Now, why they put on all of them is this is the reason. That to protect your Agya, first of all, there's no entry. That's why once an Indian gets a realization, he ascends. He doesn't go on catching again. I mean, this doesn't happen here. This is one of the things one has to do. Then the second thing is the puja. The puja has its effect on everyone, but according to your depth. And that's for that you have to have Shraddha, faith. If your mind is still thinking, you cannot achieve much in puja. While for Indians, to attend a puja is the highest. They don't mind my lecture, anything. If they miss the program, doesn't matter. Any music program is all right. Any kind of discomfort is all right, as long as they can attend to puja. Today people have come from 200 to 300 miles for this puja, all the way. Because they know this is the knowledge of the roots. For that you have to do the puja. If you have to ascend, you have to do it. But you are still in the same level. If you are still thinking about the tree style, then you will go downward. To move inward, you have to have all these instruments. One of them is of puja. Now for puja, are we prepared?